Okay. Oh well. We'll wait for it to show up. I just need to get the link. Put that in there quick and chuck it in here as well. Alright, cool. So let's get started. So there's two things that he wants me to do. One is like a chance-based system for when you prestige, and the other is to change the messages into title bar, action bar messages rather than chat messages. Okay, so the stream's appeared now, so let's open that up. Right. So the first thing we need to do is edit the config file a bit. So I guess we put it in this part. Chance commands that run based on chance. So the ID of the command, I don't know, seems easy enough. Yeah, it's not. It shouldn't be too hard. I'd like to think it will take like an hour or two at most, maybe. But I don't know. We'll see. So, beacon. Does he want it to give items or run the command? I mean, it doesn't matter if I make it run a command, it can give items as well as other things, so I'll just do that. Chance, so the chance of this being the reward. Oh shit, I don't want to do that. Chance will be, I mean, the chances aren't final, I'm just going to set any chances for now, and then commands will be give player, and that doesn't need to be in quotes, player beacon 1, and then the commands ran if this is the selected reward, and that just quickly should add these commands run every time a user prestiges unlike the chance commands below. The chance commands only need to be ran by console, I'd imagine. I'm not going to bother implementing it so that they can be ran by the player. So, I mean, it's pretty. So beacon. I don't remember the other things he wanted. Hey Bale. Hey Bale. Wait, what version is the server in? What version am I coding this to? 8.8. Okay. I don't even know the ID for Hey Bale's in 1.8. Is it hey_Bale, right? Hey_block, okay. Hey block. Hey Bale probably would have worked, hey, but we'll put this to 35. We'll put this. I mean, none of the chances really matter. I just need to set it so that I can test it and also give him an example in the plugin. So 40, 20, and this one will be 5. 40, 50, 60, 70. Yeah. Hey Bale, beacon, and I don't remember what the other thing was. But he said there was 3 things you wanted. Sponge, that was it. I don't remember which one was the most valuable or not. And then he asked me to implement a nothing feature, but you can pretty easily do that in the config, so I'm just going to do this. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then commands. And then I'm going to add to here to make You can disable the commands by setting this to commands. Okay, cool. So that's pretty much that part of the config done. I don't need that, I need this. What's the quality like, by the way? Is the quality right? It should be, I think. I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Cool. So config public static string. Wait, no, it needs to be a list string. List string chance IDs. Chance rewards equals new array list string. Cool. And then we need a double for the chance and a list string for commands. Public static hash map string double chance chances. That sounds so stupid, but that's what it is. Hash map string double and public static hash map string list string chance commands equals new hash map string list string. Right, that should be fine, except for I put too many brackets. Now we go down into, what section did I chuck it under? I chucked it under Prestige commands. Prestige commands is where? Prestige. Where did I put that? Alright, let's just find it this way. Oh, I didn't put it as a section. Okay. So we'll do it at the bottom of this because it just makes sense. So for string s in conf.get configuration section prestige commands dot chance, and then deck keys false. Cool. So now we will do chance rewards dot add s chances dot put s conf dot get double. Oh shit. Prestige. I'm just gonna copy this so that I don't put it wrong. Dot plus s, right? Cool. And then chance commands. I put a capital. Oh, I don't want that. Dot put s conf dot get string list s. Why is it all in one package? I don't know, man. It is ugly, isn't it? But I don't normally do that. But I mean, I figured since it's not like a giant plugin, I'll just put it in one package. So that should be fine, right? And then chance rewards dot clear chances dot clear chance commands dot clear. Cool. So that should be that part done. Now it'll be in Prestige. Get prestige. Right, this is what we need. I only have one prestige method, right? No, I have an auto prestige method too. Okay, so where should we do this? Where do we do this? We'll do it after all the other commands. So if config dot chance rewards dot size 0. Okay, cool. I should add one more thing to the config as well, actually. Public static double chances max equals 0. So double chance max equals 0. Chance max plus equal chances dot get. No shit. Yeah, we can do it like that. S. And then right at the bottom, chances max dot put. Is that not what it is? Chances max. Okay, what did I set it to? I did set it to chances max. The fuck? Am I just being... Oh, because I'm fucking trying to put it in instead of... Wait, no, it doesn't need to be a hash map. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't need to be a hash map. It just needs to be this. Okay, sorry, I'm having a stupid moment. This always happens. Right. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to quickly hide my screen. Just 1 second. Just quickly do that. And I'm just going to quickly copy this. Right. Sorry about that. I almost clicked the stop streaming button there. Okay, 5 moment. Yep. All right. So let's hope I can remember how to do this. So I'm just going to do double max equals config dot max, just so that it's easier for me to keep ahead of. I can't even talk. Keep track of. So double t equals 0 and double d. I don't use d yet, do I? No, hopefully not. Equals. I think I do. New rand. Oh, gotta do this shit. I don't know why, right? But I have to do that and then import random every time. It's really annoying. Like I can't just do this instantly. I have to do it that way. And then do I times it by the max? You know what, I'm gonna quickly look at my crate code because it's a similar code for that. Crates open. So it's total chance times next total. Okay. Yeah, it's just that. Alright. Let's quickly close that again. So it's literally random times max. That should be fine. And then we need to do for string s in config.chance rewards, and we do t plus equals config.chance chances.get s if t is greater than or equal to d. This is the reward. Right, that should be fine. I hope that's fine. T plus equals d. So then I do if chance commands config.chance commands.size greater than 0 for string cmd in config.chance commands.get s. And I actually need to do .get s there as well. And I need to do it here. No, I don't need to do it there because that's just the list. but they're hash maps, so I need to do it in them. And then I will do Bukkit dot dispatch command, Bukkit dot get console sender, and then cmd dot replace %player % p dot get name. So let's give that a test. I think that should be fine. We hope. Damn, that's only taken 20 minutes to do as well. What version is the developer server in? 1.15. I don't want it to be 1.15. Wait, I need to shut the server down. Dev. Stop. And I can just set it in here, I guess. I want Spigot 1.8. Save. And start. And just quickly put the Prestige plugin in. Alright, so let's see what happens then. It isn't a black screen, right? It's fine. It was just a black screen when they clicked on it because I was posting the link in there. Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna hide my mess. I don't like to look through PMs with my screen on it. Just I don't know. It's a bit weird, isn't it? Cheers. Right. So hopefully I won't be hiding my screen again. So this is the test server, and I guess it's not online. Maybe. Why's that? I need to zoom out. Sorry that it's so zoomed in. I'll have to switch my my resolution to 720 when I'm streaming. Otherwise, it's just too laggy. So yeah, it's a bit annoying because normally I use 1080, of course. I guess I need to delete the world file or files, which is kind of annoying. How long is it going to take to delete these? That is what I need to do, right? They shouldn't have too much data in them though. Yeah, it'll be fine. It's just it only goes to a black screen when I set it to that, because I don't like to look through DMs on Discord when I've got my stream going. I don't know. Yeah. 10 people watching at the moment, it says, huh? Is this done? 250 files. Sorry about this. This might take a while. You know what? For the time being, let's sort out my server list. I'm never going to join any of these servers. Cool. 700 files now. What if I just try and start it again? It's not going to work, is it? It's just going to give that same error. I didn't think of this before. Yeah, it'll be because I had the world loaded in 1.15 probably, so it's got 1.15 blocks loaded in it. And obviously, loading a server in 1.8, it can't add those blocks, so I don't know, that's just a guess, I might be wrong. Why don't I... Huh? Why can I select things? I shouldn't be able to do that when it's deleting stuff, right? Huh, weird. Okay, well I'm just going to test. Spigot, is that a thing? Send... I can do that. So I don't really know how to send an action bar message. Let's just see. Oh, it doesn't give me the option to like import the add the required arguments. So I did look around for a bit earlier and I found this. I'm gonna try this. I don't know if it'll work. Let's just quickly see what other people said. Yeah, most people say it was helpful. Huh. I mean, I'm just gonna copy it, honestly. And this needs to be elsewhere. Right here. Oh, is that not a method? Okay. I actually don't know how to make a text component, which is probably quite bad, isn't it? And I can't just put the message in, can I? That'd be too easy. Huh? Why is that a characters and not strings? Oh. Does that work? Nah. Okay. I'll look into that in a bit again. Did it delete the files? Okay. I don't know if I'll have to delete that world or not, but I'll do it anyway. Depends if there's any building done in it. There's got to be an easy way to convert it, right? Can I just cast it? Nah, that'd be too easy. Right, I'll have to do a bit more googling on how to get how to do that. Where's dev? There's dev. Alright. Console, let's try and start it again. So, hopefully this is fine. Okay, well it's creating a world now, so it'll take a while. I can just look into, I'm gonna look into how to send an action bar message a bit more in the meantime then. Oh. Huh, I guess I can't use it in 1.8 maybe. Has it started? What's this? Oh. Okay. That's going to cause the Prestige plugin to not load then, isn't it? Oh no, it's loaded. Huh, I didn't think it should have. Alright, well, let's see. How to send an action by using using packets. Yeah, I'll look in a sec. Bukkit's a bot. It's the bot I use in the YouTube server. What's that? So, okay, yeah, the Prestige command isn't responding. The plugin didn't enable properly. So what's the error exactly? Is it because I don't have the most recent versions of placeholder API? Actually, I don't have placeholder API on here at all. So that'll be it. I'm just gonna reload. Never normally do that, but right now, maybe. An error. Ah, that's nice. Oh, I never added the bit into the config. It might be that. I don't know. AkumaPrestige. Delete the config. Prestige reload. And then let's just quickly see if it's in there or not. Prestige commands chance. Okay, it's in there. So what if I do Prestige now? No, still an error. Okay, well, let's actually look what the error is, shall we? 117. Huh. Thanks. Or is it in the command class? Wait, what class was it in? Prestige.117. You what? I'm getting an error on this line apparently. I'm just going to export it again and see if it's because I don't have the most recent version on. I'm not even going to bother restarting, it takes so long, and there's no one else on the server. What does it matter? Still an error. 117. Am I being stupid or what? Okay. It's changed. Let's look if there are any other errors. There are. Oh, I don't have Vault, do I? Brilliant. See, I need to just instantly look at the errors rather than trying to bloody figure it out, don't I? Oh, I guess that's not the problem, maybe? One three three. So I'm just getting an error at the get prestige thing, but why? What if I just reload again? I need to see if there's an error in the actual startup, and there is. But that's an error to do with using the reload command, isn't it? I don't know, but on enable 50. That'll be in here, right? 50. Didn't I add Vault? I thought I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, I'm gonna try restarting instead. Maybe it's because I'm reloading. Yes, hello, funny frogs. I don't know who you are, but you know my name, so. I'm getting an error still on enable 50 line. But why? I'm actually confused, not gonna lie. Because this wasn't happening before. It's enabling, right? Both of them are enabling. Vault is enabled. Oh, I don't have essentials, so I can't see if it's working for essentials. But why am I getting an error for it? Do I need to add it to this? Do I need to add the depend thing? I don't even know. I never do that. Do it like this, right? I don't even know, honestly. I've never lately had to add the depend thing. But we'll try it. It's worth a shot, isn't it? Let's clear the log and reload. Still getting an error. Still the same error though, as well. Why though? I'm actually like so confused. So it's there. So I'm not loading the config, am I? Or do I do that right at the start? Yeah, I must do that right at the start. But where do I apply the data? I don't know. Does your plugin have Vault as a depend? I assume you mean like what I literally just did, right? Adding it in here. Or am I doing that wrong? I don't know. Do I do depend or dependencies? Because like, right, I literally never put the depend in the plugin.yml. But it's doing it. I mean, something I noticed is that since I put that depend thing in, right, it's at the end of the plugin list instead of at the start, because every time before it was at the start. So I guess that shows that it is enabling after Vault, right? Vault error with economy class. Don't I have a dependency for placeholder API? I don't. He's telling me check Discord. Depend. Oh, it's a list. Okay, I'll try that. What do you want? Shut the door, please. Thank you. Nah, still the same thing. What is going on though? Am I the only person that can't make sense of this? Or or what? Like, is this just me being an idiot? Let me see the error exactly. Dispatch command. Why is it trying to dispatch a command within the onload? Seriously, why is it trying to dispatch a command in the onEnable? Watch stuff, you don't actually do something productive. Fuck's sake. Oh, do I actually need an economy plugin? Alright, we'll just rob the one from the other server. That would actually make sense now that I think about it, right? We'll just rob all three. I'll just chuck them all in. It didn't load, but I definitely added it, right? Oh no, I don't have yeah, it did load. Bow. Yeah, still the same thing. No, that's a different plugin, that is. Okay, well, AutoPrestige has errors now. Why? But does that mean that that's working? Let me figure out this AutoPrestige error. Oh, it's probably going to be get prestige in it. 56. Oh shit, that's a different class. No. Huh? So that's... It's something to do with just the data not loading, isn't it? What if we just try and do this? Oh, I think that's probably because I haven't joined the server. Because that's how it works. I put that in the hash maps when I join. Well, am I still getting the errors from AutoPrestige? Doesn't seem like it. Yeah, okay, so AutoPrestige isn't giving errors anymore. The scoreboard's gone. Oh no, that's because I haven't got the scoreboard plugin. So it's still the same error as I had before though, not the onEnable one, but it's failing to get my prestige. And I definitely add that, right? Prestige.join. So if online prestiges contains key, it won't, else prestiges will put U0. What? I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually really confused. Reload and check all of the errors. Yeah, I can do. But, I mean, there isn't an error on startup anymore as far as I think. World edit. That's world guard. What's all this? What? I have world guard and world edit, so why are neither of them loading? But that's nothing to do with the Prestige plugin not working. The Prestige plugin doesn't depend on either of those. And this is because I haven't joined after the restart. Oh shit, wrong server. So if I clear the log now, I won't get that. Actually, that's something to test. When I join, oh shit, it says my IP, whatever. Asking Prestige is null. Ah, this is... That's not... Why is it null? Does the data file have anything in it? No, it doesn't. I need the on enable. So if data doesn't equal null for string s, prestiges. Data keys false. So that could be because I have auto prestige, but I don't have that. I'm gonna try stopping the server, deleting the data file. I don't know if this will help. So the server stopped. I'm gonna delete the files. Oh shit, I don't want to open another tab of Minecraft. Go away. And let's try starting it again. And let's just check that it creates an empty data file as well. Yeah, that's got to be empty, right? 22. That's just the user's thing. And just the done transfer. So if I join now, is it fine? Probably not, knowing my luck, right? Oh, wow. Okay. That's stupid. Still got that plugin, forgot about that. Wow. That was me being a complete idiot. Is your accent from Northampton? I mean, you literally just saw my IP, so you know I'm from Northampton's area. Like, you've probably gone and googled it, like, innit? Yeah. So Manu, add asking free. That doesn't exist. I don't know how to create a group in game, so group manager, world groups, free. We'll just literally rename that free, it don't matter. Why does it cost so much? Why did it cost so much then? It shouldn't have costed that much. That's really weird. Oh, oh. I'm not in Northampton, but I'm near it. I go to school there. Well, college there. Because they're asking 50,000 million billion. Do I have AkumaPrestige enabled? Because I don't want it enabled. No, cool. So, bow prestige. So, we can finally actually test the chance part. And we can hope that that was that I got nothing. I'm actually going to add some quick broadcasts to the chance part just to easily check it. Chance rewards, call it broadcast. I mean, 90% of errors are due to people being idiots, right? Yeah, I'd like to think that. But that was a different kind of idiocy, that was. Alright, we'll try doing this. Why is that not working? Stupid thing. Right, we'll try just quickly adding those debugs in, just so that I can, like, you know, make sure it's right. And I'm actually just going to restart it. I don't really want to be keeping on. I don't want to be taking the risks. Hey, Mel. Hello. 12 people watching, huh? I did say hi. It's the delay, right? I said hi as soon as you said hi, Sin. Yeah, I'm not looking through DMs with my screen shared. Yeah, I don't ever do that. It's so give myself a billion. I don't know. I mean, I've been on it for a little while because I coded the Prestige plugin. Okay, everything's 0. That's brilliant. It shouldn't be 0. Right? Wait, let me think about this again. So T is the total and D is the reward. So I'm looking through the rewards. If the total is greater than or equal to that, that broadcasts, but then this doesn't. But T shouldn't be 0. Right, I guess we're just doing this then. Call.broadcast config dot. Is the quality still good? Because my laptop seems to be lagging for me, but I don't know. Alright, just adding loads of these debug messages here. Wait, I mean, I might not even need to. Wait, let me see how I'm doing the chance thing, because that's got to be where the issue is. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. No, that's, yeah. Prestige commands chance. Chance rewards add. Chances. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm being an idiot. Right, that should be fine. Quality's fine, cool. Weird that it's like kind of lagging for me. Let's restart. Right, I'm going to take this time to quickly hide my screen and look through these DMs again. Fuck it, no, that's weird. How's the server I released? Well, I'm doing a whole revamp on it, but I'm not going to talk about that on this stream because you know, I'm not talking about my server on a stream linked to another server. I don't do that. That's a bit weird. Eco set asking 150,000 million billion. I counted that wrong, but it don't matter. Prestige. Ah, well, I got all of them. That's because I don't break it, right? Let's just test if it's because I don't break it. Yeah, I got nothing that time. Cool. Let's just add the break in then. It should be here, right? No. It should be right here. Yeah. Oh shit, that's way too small. It's not coded into AkumaPrestige, is it? So I'll copy it into AkumaPrestige. Config console commands right there. I should probably add an option as well. Now that I think of it, to send them a message when I do it. So that'll be in the config file, which is here, right? Yeah. And then I'm just going to add a message sent to the player if this is the chosen reward. Should I give me the option to make that the action bar message? I don't know what he'll want. Nah, we'll leave it as a chat message for now, and if he wants me to change it, I can. Yeah, that's the easiest thing. Message fix. You received a beacon from Prestiging. You received a hay bale. And B and F, I'm just going to highlight the words because that's how I would personally do it, so I'll do that for him as well. I sponge, and then you found nothing. Prestiging. Right, so config string chance messages equals new hash map string. That doesn't need to be 2. I don't know why I put that second one in. Why is this gone on? Oh shit, I added to the wrong version of the config. Well, I'll click yes to that, but I'll also paste this whole config into here. Yeah, cool. And then what did I need to do? Okay, I'm working on this message part. And I'm picky about where things are, so I'm going to move that to there. And then chance messages.put s conf.getString. I'm going to copy this and just change it a bit. .message. Right? Should be fine. If I put the right character there, that'd help. Then clear it in the reload. I don't really know if I need to do this. I don't think I do, but I do it anyway just to be sure. That should be fine, I think. So let's give that a test. AkumaPrestige. Right, I'm not going to reload, I'm going to restart. Two people on. Right, eco's asking, let's just put tons of zeros and let's copy it. So prestige. I didn't get a message because I never actually sent the message. Okay. Core.message config dot, what was it? Chance messages dot get s. Okay. I don't want to fucking print it. No, I just did it again. Alright. And before I forget, we need that in the prestige and the auto prestige. That is the auto prestige. Alright, let's give that a test. Oh, I don't want to do that. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I still need to figure out how to do the action bar messages. I'm gonna look into this tab. That's the one I've already seen. Yeah, I'll just look at this. It means I can get something new from my core. When is this going to be live on the main server? As far as I know, whenever they release. The fuck? Honestly, call me scummy. Well, it's not scummy, is it? It's a GitHub repository. I can use it. Oh god, what? I don't want I don't want these not null things anyway. They're not vital. Right, cool. P in message. Otherwise it just annoys me. So let's test that as well. Would you be able to code something complex for me? Can you do mini games? I don't do mini games. It's not something I'm interested in, I'm afraid. What was I doing again? I actually forgot what I was doing. Just shut my window though. Oh, I was changing the message to be an action bar message. That's the word. That's what. I've got to find where the message is first. Am I stupid? I can't actually find the message. Well, I can get rid of the broadcasts because we know we don't need them. Am I being stupid? Okay, well there's one of them. Core.action. Oh, I need to change that, that's ugly. Action bar. Core.action bar. Right. And it needs player at the end. No, it doesn't. It needs player at the start, right? That's what it was. Oh shit, I closed clause. Got a core. God, I can't even talk. Player message, yeah, cool. So where's the message? It is a thing, right? Check DMs. I'll check them in a bit. Yeah. There is a message, right? Or am I being stupid? I honestly don't know. No, there isn't a message. Okay. Right. So that means I'll have to add another thing to the config. But I got a beacon that time. I got nothing, beacon, 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 hey, beacon. I got a lot of beacons. Is the beacon chance really high? Yeah, it's 40. I mean, it's got to be fine, isn't it? It can't be really wrong. So I need to add a message for when they prestige. I'm just going to do it in this general part. I'm not going to add it in the messages because it's not necessarily a message. Action bar message sent to a player when they prestige. Action bar message. Percent prefix percent. You prestige. You're now prestige. Prestige. Right? Cool. The user's current prestige. Yeah, perfectly fine. So we'll add this into here. Oh shit, I'm not even in the bloody config class, I'm being an idiot. Public static string equals that. Equals config get string. That. Cool. And then that'll be fine. It's a string. I don't need to add it to that part at the bottom. Prestige config dot, no, it's core, not config dot title. No, action bar p config dot that dot replace percent prefix percent config dot pre dot replace percent prestige percent get prestige p, right? Should be fine. Or not, because that's an integer. Core dot decimals 0. Yeah, cool. Should it be the same message when you auto prestige, or should it be different? I'll leave it as different. If he wants it to be the same, he can set it as the same quite easily. I'm just gonna apply the right config into there. When are you going to work on solar? Tomorrow maybe. I did a bit earlier, but not a lot. Alright, DM time again. Sorry about this, but I mean, I think it's kind of fair enough. That's weird. Someone with my old name just messaged me. Yeah. Right. Heyo Parla, is that, yeah, that's got you, how you say that right? Okay, I'll put the screen back on now. Prestige tokens added. I mean, it's pretty much coded. I just need to implement it. So let's hope that prestige thing works, right? Nah, I bet that's an error with the action bar. Yeah. Fuck. Nothing's ever easy, is it? Line 59. See, here's the problem as well. I don't really, know how to do the action bar thing. I've never done it before, so I don't know what the error is. But I can't make sense of the error. Huh. What's all of this? Do I have to do something like that? Maybe I do. I don't know. Obviously I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm trying to not literally just straight up copy their thing. But we'll try that. And if this doesn't work, then I'll look for a different method or something like that, I guess. Restart. How many likes does this have? Only one. Come on. We can get more than a like. Or is that just because it hasn't updated? Wait, let me see. Oh shit, no, it has 10. Okay, that's much better. It's just because I had to reopen it. Right. Oh shit, wrong server again. What did I need to do? Prestige. I'm testing the action bar message. Ah, it works now. Doesn't quite color it though, because I didn't add the color method. That should be fine, right? Yeah, it should be fine. That's cool. I don't know if you can hear, but my sister's in her room singing as well. Hi, cat. Ah, sorry, I'm getting distracted. The cat came in my room. I need to remove that debug message in here as well. Right. Should be fine. I'm gonna quickly message him just to ask him if he wants auto prestige messages in the action bar or not. I don't know if he'll respond. I think he said he was going to sleep or something a little bit ago, so he might not be awake. I don't know. I think I put him in the action bar at the moment anyway, so if he wants him to be, then it's pretty easy. So that should be good, right? I think. It took an hour and a quarter, mainly because of that whole I need an economy plugin thing. Right. Sorry, I never know what to say when it's restarting. It probably gets quite boring, isn't it, when the thing's just restarting. But well, it's life. I wonder if I'm whitelisted yet. I probably can't hop in on a stream though, so I won't join it when I'm on a stream. Auto prestige, let's turn that on. Eco set asking, tons of fucking zeros. You found nothing. Beacon. Oh shit, I didn't replace %prestige from. Oh, that's because it's the wrong message. Wait, I don't think he's responded. Nah, he hasn't. What do I think? What do you think? Should I just make it a different message or should it be the same message? Nah, it should definitely be a different message. Let's go to the config. What am I looking for? The auto prestige. That's the one. Except for I need the auto prestige message. Can't even find it. It's gonna take forever to find it like that. Wait, auto prestige. Yeah, that's a good way of finding it. So I need to add these things to the message. I need to add those placeholders to the message. So we'll add that there. And Where's the message there? I need to add the prefix thing as well. Prefix, and this is config.prefix. Oh my god. It's taking so long for the auto completions to load. %cost% core dot number cost p, is that it? I don't know the method. Oh, get cost. Cool. And what was the other one? Prestige from. Get. No, replace. Why am I doing that? Prestige from. And I'll just do get prestige p. No, that's a terrible way of doing things. Int prestige equals prestiges dot get u +1. Let's save the lag a bit, shall we? PSTG. I don't know. We need to shorten it. PSTG -1 and PSTG. Let's just save some lag there, hopefully. And we won't bother typing all that out again. That's stupid. Cool. Let's test that now. Int PSTG equals prestiges dot get u +1. I added +1 to the other bit, right? I think. Yeah, I did +1. What's this error? Oh, int. And that means that error will be up here as well. Cool. That should be fine, right? Yeah. Right. So, this might be coming to the end now. Let's just quickly see if he's replied, because I've got one more message than I had. Action bar. Okay, he has replied. He wants it in the action bar. Cool. Cool. I don't know why I spam it. I can literally just hold it, and it's probably even quicker than spamming it. Why did that not change? Oh shit. Why didn't that change actually? I did add the plugin, didn't I? Wait, actually, let me ask him one more thing. Do you want all auto prestige related messages in the action bar? Or just the successful one? So whenever we see that I've got more than 4 notifications, I'll have a look at that. Oh, well, I've already got 5. Just the successful one, alright. So, what's the issue I was having again? Oh yeah, the things aren't replacing, are they? Why? Let's check the config to check that I'm spelling it right. Yeah, I definitely am. What? I'm actually confused again now. Let's just try and re-export it. Let's see what happens. Go away. Okay. No, still not working. I'm actually really confused why. Anyone got any ideas why? Because I sure as hell don't. Yeah, I don't have an idea. Prestige from. Let's check I've put all the replaces in the right place. Nope, I sure as hell haven't, have I? Wait, no, I have. No, I haven't. Alright. Right. Oh god, this is messy. So this needs to go here. Right, I think. Oh shit, and this needs to go here. Alright, let's just. That should be fine. I think that's fine. I'm just being an idiot again. Sorry, I'm gonna shut my door because I can hear my sister. What's going on? Yeah, okay. So hopefully the replaces work now. This shouldn't have taken this long, though, honestly. It's because of all of like just stupid moments I've had. I did add the plugin, right? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Ten people watching. There's been quite a few people watching this whole time, to be fair. A lot more than I was expecting. Is it really too expensive for me to afford with all that money? There we go. And that last one doesn't matter because it shouldn't even be a thing. In fact, I'm going to remove that from the config file right now. Because that was just me misinterpreting how to code it in the first place. and I'm going to remove it from the this config. Actually, I don't even know why I removed it from this config, but I can just do that. So that should be fine. And let's just give myself money again. Why am I trying to do it like that? Yeah, cool. And then just quickly check. Just quickly check that the regular prestige is fine. You're now prestige 38, 39. I want to do prestige 40. Yeah. All right. I think that's fine. So here's the thing. I don't know if I end the stream now or if I send it to him and see if he has any errors with it. I'm gonna quickly ask him. I believe it's done. If you want me to send it now so you can give it a quick test. Could you show me this screenshot of the action bar? Yeah, I can do. Snipping tool / eco set. No, why am I trying to do that? Right, so Prestige F3D, quickly switch this. Done. Send me your config file and I'll update it for you. You can edit the action bar message, of course. Alright, since none of this is actually DMs anymore, I'm going to keep showing it, because this is all just discussing this, so I feel like I can show it now. I don't want previous messages showing in it. I can close that. Come on, Mead, reply. Hey, we got 2 more people. Yeah. I'll quickly show him a message of the auto prestige in it as well. Because I feel like he's going to want that. Alright, so he wants me to add the new part. Well, I offered to add the new parts to his config, so... What? Really? That's annoying. Can we disable the auto prestige one? I mean, you can disable any message by setting it to that. Or so I need to show it in folder and edit with Notepad++. So new parts are this and this. And it goes in there, right? Prestige commands. Yes, cool. Thanks. I'm quickly gonna check that actually, because I'm not 100% certain. What if I set the action bar message just to this? Will it disable it, or will it try and send it and give an error? Prestige reload, auto prestige. I don't want that anymore. Eco set asking loads prestige. Okay, yeah, it does remove it. And is there an error? No, cool, perfect. Alright. Has anyone not, like, is no one talking in the chat, right? Or is it just that it's not, like, updating for me or something? I don't know. Did I add anything else to the config, or was that it? I feel like I added something else, but I don't know. You know what? I think that's fine. We'll copy all this and put it into the config that I have on the server to test. Prestige reload. What's going on there? Nothing's happening. That's not good, is it? Gonna restart. Does it have an error on load? No, no error. Why is the command unresponsive? It's just when I try and prestige. Prestige help. How can I see what prestige I am again? Prestige top, that's a way. So I'm 43. It's not taking the money though. Thousand million, billion, trillion, 10 trill. What's 40 times? 40 times 50 bill. Thousand million, billion, trillion, 2 trill, and the max value is thousand million, billion, trillion. So I can add it in the balance. What's going on? I'm confused now. We'll be able to download that plugin. Nah, it's a plugin for a specific server. It's a commission. If yeah, nah, it's not a public plugin. Why is it unresponsive? I'm really confused again. It's because since I added that config in, isn't it? Yeah, something to do with that config. That's not good. Looks like we're going to have to check the config before we send it back to him. Don't want to send him a broken config. So let's figure out what the error is, what the issue is with it. Sorry that I'm silent at the moment. I'm just trying to figure out why this isn't working. I didn't add new messages, did I? Other than the message that's not in this section. I'm confused again. It's just weird that it works with this config and not that config, and there's no errors about it. Look, I mean, the messages exist. What? It just becomes unresponsive with this config file. But why? Ah, because that's it, isn't it? Oh shit, it's reload. Prestige. Yeah, that was it. It was because the groups are case sensitive. So ecos are asking tons of money. Prestige. 1,000 million, billion, trillion. But didn't I work that out to be way less than that? I don't know, that's weird. Let's do that divided by 44. Divided by 44, that should be 45 or something, right? What? No, that's costing more than it should. Wait, no, divided by 45, it should be exactly 50. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I'm just doing maths wrong before. I just got the math wrong last time. I was killed by a zombie, I just saw. Oh, that's brilliant. What was I doing? I completely forgot. I think that was everything, wasn't it? Right. So we'll send him that. And we'll send him that. Should be good to go. There are some things you might want to change in the config though. You need a hand with it, just hit me up. Yeah, I think that's fine, isn't it? And the chances look about fair, I guess. 40, 20, and 10, right? So the chance system seems about right. I mean, obviously it's never going to be perfect. It's chance based. It's not going to be you know, like I'm not going to get 4 of these and 2 of these and 1 of these, right? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Right, I think that's about the end of it then. I mean, I've completed the goal, so isn't this my longest stream yet? Like almost 2 hours, yeah. The other two were both an hour. Alright, well, that's the end of this stream. I'll do the typical, third person thing. So that's the end of this stream. Please leave a like, consider subscribing so you can view the next streams. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next stream. Goodbye, time to end it.